Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's a very special video about Wise business account. Today I'm going to explain you how actually you guys can create and register a Wise business account, Wise or transfer Wise business account on LTD from anywhere. Okay, for example, it's me. I'm basically from Pakistan, so I'm gonna start the process and guide you guys actually. So first of all, I will show you the current time in my region, that's Pakistan. So in Pakistan right now the time it is 12 a.m. Saturday 9th, I'm so sorry, 9th of July 2025. That's the current time in Pakistan. Okay, so this is one of the account. I registered one of the company for one of my client, and the company name it is Web World LTD. Okay, let me open that company. Okay, and I really apologize. I really apologize for the background noise. So this is the company I registered like three days ago. Today is 8th of August, and I registered this company 5th of August. Okay, and you guys can also see the details of the director. That's Haider Alim Babar. He's basically from Pakistan, living in Pakistan. I registered his company 3 days ago, and today I registered his Wise account as well on his LTD. Okay. So this is the account I created for one of my client, Mr. Haider Ali Babar. Okay, and I created his personal account as well and business as well. So that's all the video about. So we can go to the home as well. Let me show you that as well. And as you guys can see, we have all kind of currencies except USD. Actually, they don't offer the USD anymore, but we can also get the details of different other accounts. For example, GBP. And we can also have CAD as well, like we do have the CAD account as well, and also we have the euro as well. And okay, and these are the euro. We can also get other currencies as well. For example, let's click on plus, and there from there we can actually order a USD as well, but that will be without any account details. Okay, so that's useless. So let's go back to the dashboard of this Wise business account. And this LTD Wise account also have a card as well, digital card as well, which we can use actually for the do the transactions. Okay, and let me check that as well. And these are the you guys can see the dashboard of using this Stripe card actually. Okay, and from here we can control the users or anything. Okay, so that's all. And if we go to the transactions actually, the most important part, and as you guys can see, I have paid the £45 fee as well. Okay, let me focus, just give me a second. So as you guys can see, I have also paid the £45 GBP as well, the fee. Okay, let me I have paid that from Pakistan actually, and from Pakistani physical bank account actually. Okay, it's a very simple process. If you guys don't know, for example, yesterday I paid this amount. Okay, that's 7th of August. Okay, yesterday almost 10 p.m. I registered this account, and today they have completed all the process and cut it out the amount. Okay, so that's all actually. This whole thing works. Okay, and here are some of the other business details. Let me open that. The business details as this Wise business account. Okay, and these are the business details. That's the description, etc., the business nature, etc. Okay, that's the company registration number 166306, 16630681, and 16630681. Okay, that's the same company, and I have added a very unique and physical trading address as well, and the registration address as well. So that's how actually this whole thing works. So if you also want to register a verified Wise account on your own LTD or LLC, so what you need to do is actually just open the description of this video. From there you guys will get my website, my email address, and also my contact number. So from there contact me directly, and I will also register such Wise business account on your own LTD or LLC, and I can also guide you how to actually to pay the Wise fee from your own country. Okay, and if someone want any other merchant, for example PayPal, Payoneer, Wise, Stripe, World First Bank, and also Scale Up, I can create those merchant accounts like P2P and also B2B as well. That's my daily job. And if someone want to register a company in the UK like LTD, private limited company, I can register your company. I can register your company in the UK under 24 hours Okay, that's my daily job. And if someone want to register a company in any state of the United States, any state of the USA, like LLC, limited liability company, so I can register your company in 3 working days as well. So just open the description of this video if you guys need any help related to any merchant account, or if you guys need any help related to any company registration services. So just contact me directly, and I will also guide you accordingly. So thank you so much and have a nice day.